everyone, Tanya here. I have the camera on the fruit here. I'm making a weekend tray, and this is what I like to do, especially if you have a long weekend, like if there's Memorial Day weekend, 4th of July weekend. We have 3 to 4 days off. So I went to Lidl, found some good veggies, got some good cheese. I got some green grapes. These are some big colossal strawberries, red grapes. I have some mild cheddar cheese here already cubed up. We're making things easy on ourselves. All of this was on sale. Then we have some Colby Jack cheese, and I got some bite-sized pepper. This is bite-sized salami. Okay, and I'm using this tray here, and it has a clear top. Okay, so let's see. And I thoroughly washed all of the fruit. And I like to keep the little collars on the strawberries. Put some big ones, some little ones there. Move this so you can see what I'm doing. Find some medium strawberries. So I like to do this, and so I won't always have to make something, you know, let's see if this will hold it down. Nope. Means I can make 2 of these. I got enough fruit for 2. I just open up the cheese. Half. I'm going to put the mild cheddar there. And guys, I hope you're having a great day today. I've been around here all day. I've been cleaning out the fridge, throwing away, cleaning out the pantry. And I started working on getting my tray together, and wanted you guys to join me. Okay, so we're going to keep all the cheese over here. Put all the cured meat over here. And if someone stops over, before the pandemic, during the holidays, we always had company. So as a wife of 33 years, just want to inspire some of my new subscribers, my younger subscribers, got new wives. A lot of my family members are like newly married, just getting their lives started as a couple. And you know, just do things to make your guests feel comfortable. You don't always have to cook a 4-course meal. Okay, we can take these big ones out. And if no one stops over, you know, always keep some drinks, bottled water and sodas and stuff in the freezer. Because growing up as a child, we always had company. Like, my parents worked hard during the 70s, and then there were like gas rations. So as a family, it's like we would always go to at least one of our aunts and uncles' houses on the weekend, bring something, and the grown-ups would play cards all night long. And so I'm just used to always, especially during the holidays, always having something ready to go. And this can kind of tie your guest over until you see if they want to stay longer, you know, in a few hours. It's good. And this is our tray. And check this out. There's enough for 2. You can do another one. Put the top back on. Good to go. Still have cheese for another. And then you can top this off, you know, as it dwindles down. You already have everything. Kind of refresh your tray. Like that. I still have salami left. And I have some sliced salami in there. I'm over here getting the crackers. I got some crackers here. These are like gourmet crackers. I have some focaccia crackers. And these are really good. I like these little flutes here. I'll show you guys in just a minute. So that's how you can quickly and try to get fruits that, don't worry about getting melons. Like, as a caterer, I would cater a lot of home parties. So try to do things where you don't have to cut everything up. You might have to do some, but like doing a charcuterie board, you don't have to slice up all the fruit. Get whole fruits. Okay? All right, I'm here for you. Okay guys, here's a cute little setup. This is just like a pre-party cocktail hour, and like for Juneteenth, this is my Juneteenth cocktail hour. And then we'll be grilling out, have all our Southern favorites. But this is just an idea you can have for people that come early over to your house and just have, doesn't have to be really fussy. You see I have my Juneteenth plates here. We have some nice little crackers. And we have our charcuterie tray board, strawberries. During Juneteenth, red stands for the blood. A lot of bloodshed went into us being free. And so we have our black grapes. Well, these are green, prosperity, for the black for the people. Just like in Kwanzaa, but I got a lot of, I liked doing Kwanzaa, but this is really a true historical event, Juneteenth, and so I'm gonna, honor it. Now my Texas people, I know my people in Texas, they do it big, and I love Black history. I love African American history. I love to know what happened in the past and what got us to where we are today. So I do want to honor this holiday. It is a holiday. It was signed into, Biden made it a holiday. And for a couple of years, I had subscribers like say, do a Juneteenth tablescape. And it's like, I wasn't ready because I really need to understand what am I celebrating. And so it took me a couple of years. Okay, and then just have some wines. Have some wine. And you can use some, buy some African American wines from different vineyards from that African Americans own. That's what we need to do. We're not disliking anybody. I'm not anti anybody. I'm just pro us. We need our support. We need to love each other. If we don't support each other, who will? If we don't buy from each other, who will? If we don't celebrate each other, who will? Okay, so we just have a little nibbles for the early comers. And we have these crackers here, and have some napkins. We have our glasses, wine glasses and mimosa glasses ready. And just set it up on an island. Doesn't have to be all over the top. And then this is an arrangement I use all the time. I always use this rattan floral or flower pot. It's a lantern. I turn it into a flower pot. And just, put some flowers in a red. I just got rid of my my fresh flowers. Use some silk flowers. And I love sunflowers, and they're yellow. Yellow's a part of, our colors. And then just this stake here, this sign, put it in there. It doesn't have to go outside. You could put it in a floral arrangement. And that's all it took. I didn't put a tablecloth on it. Now you want things to pop a little more? Put a tablecloth on there. Hang on, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna put my black nope, I'm not gonna put it on there because I have to iron it. And then it'll just make it look worse. But just lay out something, some nibbles for your friends and family to have. Put an arrangement on there. Have some drinks ready to go. Even some peanuts. You put some nuts out, which I didn't do. And just do that. Okay, I added some cashews and some peanuts. Peanuts are a big part of our history. And so, so this is a good way to just receive your guest before dinner's ready, and just have conversation and just start talking about history, and time to connect with your elders and have them some nibbles. A lot of our elders, they don't want to eat a whole lot, but just have something for them. In my catering days, I did a lot of cocktail parties. So I'm big on having cocktails and appetizers. I love it. And it's always a great way to break the ice and get the party started. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you guys. You have a great day, and thank you so much for your attention. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. and hit that bell notification so you will be notified the next time I upload any new content. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. In my next video. All right, goodbye. Bye, Mom.